everyone, and welcome back to my Southern Illinois kitchen. Today we are making my friend Jessica Dean's quick, easy, delicious taco dip. Today, before we get started cooking, I gotta take a minute and introduce you to the girls. We've got Bear and we've got Oso. They are sisters. They are 4 years apart, and they live here on the farm. They wanted to say hello to everybody. So, hello, puppy dogs. Jamie is over again to cook with us today. He's going to start off by browning 2 pounds of hamburger meat in the skillet. He's going to do it over medium, high heat. Cook it till where there's no pink left. As he does that, I am going to go and make the first 2 layers of the taco dip. The first layer is simply 2 cans of refried beans. You don't want to watch me struggle to open these beans. It was a nightmare. I don't know why. So we're going to fast forward this. Once they finally get out of the cans, if I can ever manage to do that, we're going to put them in a bowl and mix them up just to make sure that the liquids and the solids have emulsified. And then we're going to spread them on the bottom of our casserole dish, and that's layer number 1. All right, finally got the beans all mixed together. I'm going to grab my dish. It's a 9x13. Oh, look, I got a little hitchhiker. It's a little baby ladybug. Hey, ladybug, get off there. Yeah, you don't want us to eat you. That would be gross. Okay, back to spreading beans. We're just going to spread them across the bottom. That's all there is to it. After we do this, we are going to move on, and we are going to make layer number 2. Let's do a quick check-in real quick. Let's see how Jamie's doing with the meat. Oh, it's getting there. A little bit of pink left. Keep cooking it till it's all the way done. And goodbye, Jamie. We're going to go continue. All right, for the next layer, it's a block of cream cheese that has sat out till it's sort of softened. We're going to add 16 ounces of sour cream to it, and then a couple packs of taco seasoning. That's going to give us layer number 2. Oh, hi, Stinker. She was chewing on the bag of lettuce. She wants to help. Jamie, how's it going? Oh, I think you're almost done. We're going to have to drain that. All right, I'm going to need something. Oh, drop my camera. My bad. We're going to need something a little bit more sturdy than this spatula, so I'm going to grab a fork. Okay, this is going to work better. You guys will have to forgive me. This is the first time I made this recipe, and I'm not being very smooth today, but that's okay. It's okay. We're all learning. We're going to mix this up eventually. Let me fast forward this part too. Hold on just a second. Okay, back to normal speed, quick break so we can see that Jamie's done cooking the meat. He's going to drain all of the fat off of it now. And let's go back to stirring at super speed. Okay, I take it back. Before we do that, we got to just notice again how cute this cat is. It's chewing on a head of lettuce for absolutely no reason. Stinker. Why? Why? I love you too. Good girl. How about instead of me fast forwarding this mixing thing, let me go grab the mixer, and while I do that, let me show you how beautiful the peach orchards are here locally. They just bloomed this weekend. I mean, they just bloomed. So my daughter and I, we got in the car, we went for a little drive, and look at how beautiful the peach trees are. It's absolutely gorgeous. Spring is here in Southern Illinois, man. It is here. Okay, I got out the mixer to take care of this little problem of getting all this stuff put together. Once this is done being mixed, we're going to spread it over the beans. Then we're going to move on to the meat, which is done. And I am falling behind. So let's do it. Okay, now that we've got that mixture on, we're just going to take the ground beef that's been cooked and drained of fat. We're going to sprinkle it over the top. And now we've got layer number 3. For the rest of the layers, everything is optional. Today we're doing lettuce, Roma tomato, and shredded cheddar, or I think it's shredded Colby Jack. Doesn't matter. Shredded cheese of some kind. It's really up to you entirely what you put on once you get to this point. Jamie brought a bag of iceberg lettuce. I'm going to cut up most of it. I'll show you how I do the first half of it, and then after that we're going to take a little break. so that you can see a really cool thing that happened on the farm this week. We have a local wildlife rehabilitator, and they released a fox, a possum, and a barred owl here on the farm. And we got a little bit of footage of it, and I want to show you their release. As soon as I'm done chopping up this lettuce. Ooh, let's do it ninja. Okay, first little guy here, little possum, obviously. That's my daughter. She was there to help him take his first steps into the wild, and she loves him very, very much. This is my favorite of all nocturnal animals, the beautiful barred owl. That's its very first flight. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And I had to slow the fox down so that you could just catch a glimpse as he ran off into the woods. There was no stopping that guy. Oh, he's so beautiful. We are so thankful that we got to be a part of that. Okay, so now that the lettuce is on, we're going to chop up the tomatoes, put those on, and then we're almost done with this already. And as soon as this is done, we sprinkle them on top of the lettuce, put some shredded cheese on the top, and guys, that's it. This dip is super good. Serve it with, tortillas. Do whatever you want with it, really. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you to everyone for joining us for another video. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. Please keep coming back. We will see you all next week for our next one. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.